Hello 7L, and welcome to your first YouTube homework. How exciting. What I'd like you to do now is to get your yellow books out and pause the video if you need to in order to give yourself time to do that, and write down the homework, write down the title in the front of your books: Rocket Energy Conversion Homework. Like that. What you also need to do is the following. You need to go to the link which is put in the description section of this video, the link being this one up here, and you need to either print this little worksheet out and stick it into your books, or copy it out into your books, which should take no longer than 5 minutes. You don't need to be super duper, hyper, meta, uber detailed about it. I'd like you to do the following. This worksheet describes, or when it's completed, will describe the energy conversions which occur as a model rocket is launched, goes up into the air, reaches its maximum height, begins to fall down again, and hits the floor. It's a chemically powered rocket. It's a little bit like a firework. That's where the energy is really coming from to allow it to do things. CP is an abbreviation for chemical potential energy, KE is an abbreviation for kinetic energy, and GP is an abbreviation for gravitational potential energy. All I'd like you to do is the following. I'd like you to shade in each of these boxes to show how much of each of the energy forms you think there are at each stage. I'll give you some help with the first box down here. Right now the rocket's not yet been launched, so I would say that it has the maximum chemical potential energy it will have throughout its flight. So I'm going to shade in this box all the way up to the top. You may wish to do it slightly more neatly than I'm doing. I would say that right now it has 0 kinetic energy because it is not moving, and I would say that it has minimum gravitational potential energy, so I won't shade in the kinetic energy box, and neither will I shade in the gravitational potential energy box. That's all which you need to do. Now, if you look at the website, there is a solution page. If you want to look at the solution, you can click on this link down here. There's not a lot of value to be got from cheating. But when you finish the homework, you might like to look at the solution, and if you wish, you could amend your answers in light of what you see there. So that's all, folks. That shouldn't take you too long at all. If you want any help, you can post in the comments section of this video. You might get some help from your classmates, and you may get some help from me also. However, there are some sort of rules about that. If you're going to post in the comments section of this video, I need you to create a new Google account, the name of which contains your first name, but not your surname. There are reasons for that. You need to create that sort of Google account if you're going to ask for help in the comments section. If there are any problems, don't worry. We shall talk about things in the coming lesson. This is the first time we've tried this, so don't worry if you can't get this to work or whatever. It is not a big thing. Thank you.